Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make a lot of money using a very powerful CPA marketing affiliate website builder, which is free to use. If you watch to the end of the video, I'll show you a free traffic source that will help you promote your affiliate link. But before we start, welcome to the channel, Teach Me Money Methods. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. So whenever I upload a new video online, you'll be updated with my new content. Now let's get back to the video. The first thing to do is to head over to this website right here, Offervault.com. Once you're here, this platform has a lot of different types of products, and a lot of these products are in the sweepstakes category. The truth is, people love sweepstakes. The fact that they only have to enter or just fill in a form to get paid is a great idea for them. If we scroll all the way down, you can see under the countries that there are a lot of different types of countries, and a lot of the offers are available in the United States. But again, as you can see, you will be able to find other countries like France, Australia, United Kingdom, Canada, and a lot of other countries around the world. And if you look under Payouts, you can see that you can make a lot of money just from one simple sign up. As you can see right here, you can make up to $600, $49, $63, another $600, and more. Now, to get started, just come over here and click on Categories. And you will see this drop-down menu. Just scroll through and check for sweepstakes. Once you find it, click on it. From there, we're going to click on Country right here. And for the sake of this tutorial, we're going to be using the United States, for example. So guys, if you are enjoying this video so far, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to this channel if you have not already, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Now, let's get back to the video. And now if we scroll down, we are going to be able to see all the different types of offers on this page, as you can see. So all we're going to do is choose one of the offers that we want to promote. Let's say we choose this one right here, Dyson Supersonic, which has a payout of $24. All you need is to right-click and open it on a new tab. Once you do that, you'll land on this page. On this page, you'll see the offer name, the payout, the preview, the categories, the network, the last update, and the country. If we click right here on Preview Landing Page, we are going to land on this page right here. This is what people are going to see anytime they click on your offer. The next thing is to head over to Google Sheets. To get to this page, all you need to do is to type in your search bar Google Sheets and hit enter. Once you're here, click on the first link and you will land on this page right here. So all you need to do is to just sign up. And once you're done, you'll be able to access this page right here. Now click on the plus button right here and you'll be redirected to this page. On this page, you'll create a heading, and inside each heading, you'll write sweepstakes, price, country available, and then link. Now go back to Offervault, copy the name of the product you want to promote, then go back and paste it here. Next, you'll put in the price, which is $24, then the country, which is the United States, and then you will copy the link and paste it here. To get the affiliate link, you will have to sign up on Offervault first. Once you do that, you'll be able to get the link for your promotion. Now that we have everything set up, if you want to make more money, all you need to do is go back to Offervault affiliate page right here. And all you need to do is right-click on as many product offers as you want and copy their information following the same process we just did. So for example, all you need to do is copy as many products and paste it on this Google Sheet following the exact process we just showed you. For example, say you have copied up to 4 affiliate products, as you can see right here. The next thing to do is to go to this website right here, spreadsimple.com. We are going to be using this website to create a free, awesome website for our affiliate products. So once you're here, make sure you sign up using the free plan, which is going to work just fine. If you scroll through this website, you will see that they have an awesome templates on this website already made for you to use. Once you sign up and click on your dashboard, you'll land on this page right here. Now click right here on this plus button, and this is where you will need to paste your Google Sheets link. So we're going to be going back to our Google Sheet. First, we're going to change the name right up here to CPA Offers, for example. And then click on Share right here and scroll down and click on Change to anyone with the link. And make sure you choose anyone on the internet with this link can view. From there, click on Copy Link. Come back to this page and paste your link right here and click on Continue. Once you click on Continue, this is automatically going to create the website for you. To fix this error right here, click here and choose Sweepstakes. Again, click here and choose Country Available, and then click here and still choose Sweepstakes, and again click here and choose Price. Once you're done, scroll all the way down and click on this button right here. Scroll down again, click on the drop down right here and select Link. As you can see, right on this side, we have the button appearing with the offers. So we're going to scroll back up, click here, and change the color to red to make it stand out. And we're also going to change the button from Buy to Enter Sweepstakes here. As you can see, this button is appearing right beside the offer. So next, we are going to change this heading right here. There are two ways you can do that. The first method is to click on Design right up here, and then click on Home Page Intro right here. And scroll down, and right here, we're going to type in Win Prizes and Offers right here. As you can see, it has changed. And if you want, you can just leave the other right up, right here, without changing it. If you want to use the second method, you can just go to canva.com. This is a free website where you can design a lot of graphics and images for free. With this website, you can design a good-looking graphic cover image and then go back and upload the cover to the website. It is very easy to do. Once you're done with everything, just click on Save right here. Finally, I want to change the domain name. So go up and click right here, Change Domain. And we're going to type in Free Sweepstakes Offer. Once you are done, click on Save right here. And as you can see right here, we have our CPA affiliate link for us to promote and make sales. All you need to do right now is to copy this link and promote it. To promote your link, you can go to facebook.com, and under Groups, you can search for Sweepstakes Offers. And then what you'll do is join all the groups you see on this page, as many as possible. Once you do that, you'll be able to promote your link in all of these groups. The next website is pinterest.com. Once you're here, search for Sweepstakes Offers. And as you can see, there are a lot of sweepstakes offers on this site already. All you need to do is to create your own pins and then post them on Pinterest, just like the ones we see right here on this page. It's very easy and simple to do. And that's it, guys. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell so whenever I upload a new video, you'll be updated with my new content. I will see you in the next video.